Right, welcome back. So I just want to quickly follow up our trade that I showed you on yesterday's video. So as you can see, we didn't get triggered above our little indecision candle, which you can see is in the support zone. The market did plow through and dropped up to 125 pips against us. So we weren't in a trade, so it didn't really matter. Because obviously, if it had dropped with us being triggered, I would have extended to 125 pips on the take profit. But you can see that now we've been triggered this morning and we are just getting up inside that little box I pointed out yesterday. So this is sort of the make or break point of the trade. And we've got a nice area of support directly underneath us now. So if anything, the market looks like it's starting to favour our side. But one thing I quickly want to point out, especially to the new traders out there, don't ever look at this market that, oh, if I'd got in at the bottom there, I would have made another 125 pips upon this trade. Because what actually happens is we can't determine how far this market's going to drop. This is why we use orders and buy stops, because if we can get above certain levels, it's always going to be momentum that's going to trigger our trades. So if we're actually triggering trades when the momentum is actually going against us, you never know when it's potentially going to stop. And then all we got to do is just find a nice, more viable setup at a much better price. So here, look, you can see it's fallen into the next support zone, but we didn't have any indecision. Can you see the little tiny doji candle, which my cursor's on, is actually detached from the support area? Okay, so ideally, if this was in the support area, I would have moved this trade all the way down to above that little doji candle, and then I would have just made my trade all the way up before the resistance again. So I probably would have made about another 40 pips out of it, but we didn't have the setup. So one thing with your trading, if you do not get setups, you do not take trades. You do not want to you don't add fuel to a fire that's getting out of control. This is why we don't add positions all the way down. We literally just add them on the specific points. Okay, so what I'm going to do, once this actually takes profit, obviously it might pull back yet into support, retest of support, before we should hopefully head up towards our target. I will keep you guys updated. But if you do want to know anything, please just comment and below this video, and I'm happy to get around to it and help out anyone I can. Right, guys, I'll see you soon.